guys, it's Justin. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the mini brand Foodies Series 2 balls by Zuru. I did find these 2-packs on Amazon. Prices may vary, so go ahead and check out the latest price that it is today. So I have three sets to do, so 6 balls in total, and I'm just going to start out by showing you what I got. So the very first one was the Cinnabon. Really cool. Please excuse my very dry hands. I am a healthcare worker. I wash and/or use sanitizer like 50 times a day, so it is what it is. So I got some really cool mini brands, and I'm going to speed this video up so that you can kind of see them all, and then I'll do a recap at the very end. But some of my favorites are definitely in this first video. items from Pizza Hut, Fridays, Auntie Anne's, and this yogurt bowl, Subway, lots of stuff from Jack in the Box, some money, Cinnabon, and my absolute favorite, the sushi, Asian items, boba tea. Really, really love those the most. Thank you guys for watching.